to open this box. This is a mystery box of miniatures from This Dollhouse. I follow Bentley House Minis. I love her work and I always learn something from her videos, and even if I'm just watching for fun, I love her channel. So I've been waiting for the right moment to hop on one of these sales that she talked about in her video. If you follow Flip This House on Facebook, they made an announcement. I jumped onto Etsy. Everything was 60% off. It was time. I had to order something. And let's try to figure out what's in this box together. Here is a flower pot. That was the first thing that came out of there. We've got this little vase. Really cute. And I could probably use them for two separate areas. This, I'm completely blown away. I don't see it fitting into my dollhouse aesthetic at all. My imagination is telling me that it's going to be very elegant yet haunted. So I don't know where I can use him. I definitely don't want to modify him and kind of like creepify him. He's beautiful. So maybe he'll just go in like one of my little displays because he's so incredibly well made. I'm so impressed. It says Boyd's Bears TF Wuzzies. So pretty. Next item is a little dessert chocolate cake with roses on top. A little spice rack. We've got a little flower pot. Those always come in handy. A cute little handle basket. That's adorable. Next item. Oh, Huggies. Wow, one $15. Whew, okay. Well, I'm glad that was in my grab bag because I definitely would not have paid $15 for that little box. But that's just me. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. It's got patina on the part that's metal. It's got actual metal handles. This metal lining is actually paper. I really like this. This is cool. I love that. My style, very rustic. We'll just do that the same way. They all end up piled in your front yard like when all your plants die. So there's that. Another little basket. I wonder if these all came together. I don't really need that many baskets, but here's another one. And again, I'm sure I can use them for something. So that's that. Keep going. So this is broken. It looks like it's supposed to be like a little lantern. That's what I'm imagining anyway. There's a hole on top unless it's supposed to be a candle holder. I don't know. This is a vintage toy, which I kind of collect vintage toys, only wooden ones. So this is kind of cute to have one in my dollhouse. And sometimes these toys, they really do give me the feel of elegance, like very posh uppity toys. So there's that. This is a little bag of bells. These would probably be cute to make like a Christmas garland. Well, and they're actually metal. This is a vase. This is labeled $25. I don't think I told you yet. I think I spent about $53 on all of these pieces. So if this piece alone is labeled $25, it's a pretty good deal so far. Even though there are a couple pieces that I absolutely would never have picked out. This one, I mean, I would put this in my house if it were real size. I love real wood pieces. This says Fort Knox on it. It's pretty. So I'm not going to open this one. This is another one of the same that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is probably already, I think nothing can beat this. This is probably going to be my favorite, no matter what else is in here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is metal, and it moves. It has moving parts, and there are little pieces of bread. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is changing my mind about the Huggies and that broken candelabra. Okay, sold. There's like a little spring action going on in there, and you can actually push this down. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see this. Let me see. Ah! Okay. I feel like I could stop now. There's a whole lot of stuff in here. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so this in my hand. And they're all clear, so I can paint them, I can pour stuff in them, and that'll be fun. Kind of design them the way I want them. So this is a wooden vase. Another repeat, I feel like, of the same thing. But then your next piece is freaking awesome. This is like a copper pan. It's heavy, it's metal. The handle is pretty awesome. So like, you know, you get a piece that kind of is boring, and then the next piece makes up for it. That's really cool. I love that pot. Then we've got yet another little wooden flower pot. Another little basket. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really hoping that these little baskets are not counting as an item each. This is a cute little hanger. That would be adorable in like a little boy's room with the teddy bear, but the teddy bear is so big that I don't think it would work in the dollhouse. Okay, so just full honesty, I'm really disappointed about how many flower pots are in here. I just don't need that. There are 3 of these red little mugs. Okay, 2 more. Okay, and then making up for it again with a nice pan. This handle is not as nice as the other one. It's just one metal piece with, this is painted, whereas the other one seems like a little bit more detailed. This is the last item. So, you know, I'm not really going for the shabby chic country feel. It would be really cool if they had grab bags with a theme. So like you could say that you like rustic antiques, or that you like shabby chic, or my ultimate fantasy grab bag would be all Victorian. You know, maybe you can check off little details like more realistic or more cutesy or whatever. So this is really cool. It's really well made. It's nice, just not my style. So overall honesty about all of these pieces. About $52. Aside from me as an individual, let's just go like financially speaking. Is it worth the 50 something dollars that I spent? Yes. Yes, it's definitely, the value is there. A lot of the value is already invested in the toaster, already invested in this teddy bear, and this little vase guy. That's where I see all the value being. Maybe I would graduate this pot up to the top. These, no. These, no. This little toy, let me move my pumpkin. This little toy, nicely well made. The spice rack is, it's not functional, but it's very cute. If I'm looking at just those items up on top, it's probably already worth what I paid. So the rest of it, it's like flower pot, flower pot, flower pot, flower pot, flower pot, vase, flower pot. And then, you know, I really can't see a world where printing this out and folding it is $15. It's a little much. Okay, well, oh, all right. Let me back up on that statement because I realized that there are actually diapers in there in the box. So that's cool. My overall opinion, more than half of this stuff I wouldn't have picked it out. I do recommend purchasing it. It's fun to see what's in there. You just have to really be open to the fact that you might not get a whole lot of what you need, that there just happens to be a few pieces that are really, really specific to me. So that makes up for any items that I thought were kind of like, meh. Yeah, the toaster, the little vintage toy, and that pretty vase in the middle. That solidifies the deal for me. I'm happy. So, and I have that pretty little cake to give as a gift to my good friend who I was really lucky to meet in my area because I just moved here and I have no friends. And what a shock to meet somebody who is also into dollhouses and also into haunted dollhouses and Halloween. So it's been pretty cool to meet her, and I'm going to be happy to give her this little cake topped with pink roses, which pink roses seems to be her thing. So all in all, good buy. Definitely recommend Flip This Dollhouse. I know that they're going to be posting a lot more for sale soon. The shop owner messaged me and let me know that. So would I gamble again? Absolutely. If you guys end up buying something, tag me. I want to know what you got.